In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Expensify. We'll walk through everything you need to go from a brand new account to actually tracking and reimbursing expenses with confidence. Keep Expensify open in a browser so you can follow along as we go. First, head over to Expensify's website and sign up using your email address. As you create your account, you'll be asked whether you're setting it up for yourself as an individual or for a group, like a business or team. Choose the option that best matches how you'll be using Expensify, because this affects what features you'll see and how your workspace is organized later. Once your account is created, it's time to set up your workspace. In the top or side menu, go to Settings, then Workspaces. Here, you'll see tabs for individual and group. Click the tab that matches your choice, then either click New Workspace for a group or click your existing workspace name if you're using an individual account. This is where you'll configure the core details that control how expenses are tracked. Take a moment to define expense categories, like travel, meals, or supplies, and set any rules you want, such as spending limits or required notes. Getting this right up front will save you a lot of cleanup later. Next, let's set up reimbursement and payments. Go back into Settings, choose Workspaces, then select your workspace name. Look for your reimbursement settings. Here you can choose direct, indirect, or global reimbursement, depending on how your company pays people back. Pick the option that matches your internal process. If you're in the United States and want to reimburse employees directly through Expensify, go to Settings, then Account, then Wallet, and follow the prompts to securely connect your business bank account. You can also activate an Expensify card if you have one by going to Account, Wallet, then Expensify card, and following the activation steps. If you're managing a team, you'll now want to invite people into your group workspace. Go to Settings, Workspaces Group, select your workspace, and send invitations to your team members. While you're there, set up your approval workflows so it's clear who reviews and approves expense reports. Finally, secure your own account by going to Settings, Account, Profile, and enabling two-factor authentication for added protection. With everything configured, you're ready to start using Expensify day to day. Use the mobile app's Smart Scan feature to snap photos of receipts or forward receipts by email so details are captured automatically. You can also click the plus icon to manually add expenses, filling in the description, merchant, and amount. And if you need to track driving, use the Track Distance feature to log mileage-related expenses. Follow these steps, and you'll have a solid, streamlined expense management setup in Expensify.